Good morning, readers. Today we are going to talk about comparing and contrasting themes from different stories. Go ahead and fill out your learning intention sheet. Readers, by now we've read quite a few stories, and we can discuss the themes of those stories. Hopefully, you've added your story to your theme chart in your classroom. Stories often have similar themes or the same themes to other stories. But even stories with the same themes have differences. And one of the most important differences is thinking about how the characters address a theme or handle a theme or relate to a theme. We're going to think about this today. This means that just because a book has the same theme doesn't mean that it has the same plot or even the same lessons. Let's think about The Giving Tree and Fox. Both of these books have a theme of friendship in them. And since I was thinking about how the characters from these two books handle the same theme, I went ahead and wrote sticky notes, and I just wrote my thoughts about the books. And the first one I wrote, the boy and the tree realize that their friendship is all that they have left and the only thing that doesn't go away. They realize that it is the most important thing. So that was the message in this book and how those characters related to the theme of friendship. In Fox, Magpie and Dog take care of one another. Through their friendship, they are able to survive. So in The Giving Tree, through friendship, the tree and the boy realize that friendship is the most important thing and the only thing that they have left. And in Fox, Magpie and Dog actually survive through their friendship. So while they have the same theme, the theme affects the characters in different ways. Now I want you to try this out. I want us to think about The Giving Tree again, and The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. Now I want you to think about the theme of love in The Giving Tree, and then think about the theme of love in The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. Let's first start with The Giving Tree. I want you to think about how the boy and the tree relate to the theme of love in The Giving Tree. Give this some thought and give me a thumb up when you have some ideas. Go ahead and share those ideas with your partner. Now think about The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane and how Edward relates to love in that book. Give me a thumb up again when you have the idea in your head. Go ahead and share this with your partner. Readers, I did some of this same work myself, and this is what I came up with. In this book, the tree loves the boy. Her unconditional love for the boy is what keeps their friendship going. Because of her love, she continues to provide things for the boy without asking for things in return. So in this book, love is what keeps their friendship alive. And for The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane, I wrote this. In Edward Tulane, Edward learns to love. All the characters love Edward, but he has to learn to love others by losing people. The lesson of this story is to treasure relationships. So you see, these books have a similar theme, or the same theme, but then they have different lessons, and they have different plots and different things that happen in the story. Today you are going to read, when you finish a book, you should compare and contrast the theme of that book with another book you've read with the same theme in it. Then you are going to write about that theme and discuss it with your book club. This may not happen today, but it should happen at some point. Let's make it a great reading day.